Hey there, it's Brittany, and it's one of my favorite days of the month. We have the December Magical Mystery Bead Box, and you're getting this before the end of December because it got to me on time and I had time to film it. So let's open it up. Let's see, what do we have here? Degas. Okay, that's exciting. So here's the list of ingredients. There's you just scan the QR code to get some other content. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh boy, I'm not going to be able to pronounce some of these things. I can already tell. But you could see the name. I don't know how to say that, and I don't want to embarrass myself by trying. Beautiful color palette. Looks beachy to me, but you know I love beachy, so I'm not going to complain. We've got some like stormy gray coins. Those are really fun. Some little petal tassels and a spacer. Let me get a light in there. Some fun crystals. These are not just round. Very pretty. Some Pandora style Shambhala beads. Some teardrops. They've got like a cream color or beige with a luster on them. Some sea glass or frosted glass beads. Some more crystals. These are just, I think, regular. No, they're not regular rondelles. Like, they're still a weird shape, like weird, good, weird. Some copper spacers. Some bling balls. Oh, some little blue crystal rondelles. Kind of like a little opaque, but not too opaque. I don't know what to say now. And then some white crystal rondelles, bigger size. And they have, oh, no, they're just white. I thought they had a finish on them, but they don't. And then some bead caps. Oh, that's pretty with little petals and little flowers on it. Cute mix. I like that. I dropped one of those blue beads on the floor because of course I did. The tiny beads always go and jump ship the second they get in on my bead mat. Pretty. Dancers in pink focal beads. They're lovely. They're kind of really jammed in there though. There we go. These are gorgeous. They're like cloisonné. They're really pretty. They're not, I don't think we would consider this cloisonné, but they're enameled. They're heavier and they're really pretty. I love that color. I love gold. I love flowers. So good bead mix, or good focals, I should say. Then we have a metal focal set. I don't know if this is metal focals or just metal beads. This is the Ballet Class metal set. So these are lovely. Some little textured saucers. Oh, and then we've got a little faceted gold bead. We've got some roses. Some bead caps. I've noticed they started doing these several boxes ago, is just including metal, like a whole metal set, and I just love that. Because yes, they still have metal in here, but they also just give us like a little set of metal, and I love that because I'm a metal girl. I love putting metal in my creations, and look, this is one of my metal bead suits. A lot of that's from Jesse James Beads because I love their metal, but it's just so intrinsic to all of my designs that I really appreciate a good metal mix. So I'm happy with this. Really cute. And they give you enough to make a couple pieces, you know? Like sometimes I'm like, oh, 10 beads is not enough. So it's nice to get a bunch in the same color in here. All right, here's another mix. This one is 4 ballerinas on the stage. Ooh, pretty color palette. This is screaming spring to me. Love these yellow beads. I think we've gotten these before, but gosh, I don't remember when, and I just love them. I would probably use those independently of this color palette, though. Pretty green coins. They're kind of twisted. Then we have some antique brass bead caps or bead cones. Very nice. Oh, these are pretty. They have silver beads with some rhinestones in there, like a amethyst color. Ooh, really cute flowers. Those are bead caps, but you can even cut a hole in them or punch a hole in them and use them upright. Oh, and then we have them in silver too. Slightly different shape, but so cute. That's fun. Love this mix. We have some more bead caps. Metal is on point in this box, of course. And then we've got some, these are like almost like they look like cake to me just because that reminds me of sprinkles, like that coating reminds me of sprinkles. It's really fun. Pretty color. And we've got some blue with a luster crystal rondelles. Some really pretty stop sign crystals. These are a gorgeous mint. Some crackle glass matte beads in peach. Really pretty, really pretty. This is Screaming Spring. Some more of that really awesome faceted round shape. It's not just round, it's a different facet than we typically see. Pretty pink. That's like the Jesse James beads pink. And then some oval coins. Really lovely. And then some beige crystal rondelles with a luster. And then my favorite bling ball that I get from them. I love it. Like, I need a whole batch of those. Sarah, if you're listening, please send me a whole batch of those. But anyway, those are my favorite bling ball. I love, like I just said, I love their metal, but this is my favorite from them. Okay, beautiful mix. Then we have a Study of a Dancer metal focal set. So there's some filigrees. I haven't used a filigree in a while, so I should probably get on that. Yeah, and if you're interested in subscribing to this box, check out the affiliate links in my description. That'll take you right there, and it helps my channel. But this is a box that I've had for several years, and I love it. And you can subscribe to multiple months. You can just get a past box. You can get just 1 month at a time, whatever you want. So we get 2 antique brass, 2 gold, 2 silver. And these are great because you could just keep them like that as a pendant. You can glue a flower to the front. You can glue anything to the front, really. You can bend them. You can cut them. Very versatile piece. I don't know. We just don't use filigrees enough on this channel. It's because they're like not right next to me. I have hundreds of them. I just don't think about grabbing them. I need to do that more. Then we have some ribbon. And a beautiful emerald green. This is like one of my favorite greens at the moment. This green, and like sage are my 3 favorites right now. I love them. So yummy. And then you have some ribbon ends. Then we have the Ballet Class metal set. So there's a lot of metal sets today. Oh. I don't know what this is the Ballet Class metal set. I don't know what this was then. I don't know. I'm going with the flow, everybody. Oh my gosh, this heart in here is killing me. It's so gorgeous. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, look at this. It looks like a piece of lace, like a lace ribbon that they formed into a heart, but it's metal. That is so sweet. I love that. That's so pretty. Beautiful scroll work on these. Gorgeous little charms. Those are really, really pretty, and they're very sturdy. They're not like flimsy. They're not movable. They're very thick. Oh, is this a toggle? Oh my gosh, my favorite thing in this box so far, besides this heart. This is really cool. That's a really cool. I'm gonna have to, I love statement jewelry. I don't know, I could make a statement necklace with this, but it's giving me statement bracelet vibes. I love this box. It's so pretty. It's like the color palette seems a little off for this portion of the year, but I don't care. I like the box. I like the box. I'm not going to let a color palette hold me back, depending on what time of year it is. You know what I mean? Let's see. Dancers at the Bar. Beautiful. This looks like... or is it beret? I don't know how to say that, actually. This, I don't know. I think it's Sunstone. Yeah, it's Sunstone. It's gorgeous. These are really, really pretty Sunstones, too. Not a lot of glitter in them, but a lot of striations, and I think they're just, I love the way they feel. They're gorgeous. Peach is always beautiful. This is such a pretty box. Oh my gosh, there's 2 more strands. 3 strands of beads. Okay, so again, I don't know what that says. I feel so bad. Listen, I can speak some Chinese, I can speak some Thai. I cannot French. Nope, can't do it. I know a little bit of Spanish. All right, so we've got a bicone at the top. We've got gunmetal. We've got a white luster drop, some fun glass, and a really cool petal bead cap. Some more great metal. Oh, look at that. Orange flower. Yummy. Love it. It's got enamel. It's like faux enamel. That looks like it's resin on there. Some more metal flowers. Some roses. And then this is, I think that's a, plastic pearls in woven into a larger bead. Then we've got some big crystal rondelle spacers, and then it repeats. That's a fun strand. Lots of focals on this one. I wouldn't just make it into a bracelet because I don't think the orange really matches the tan or the gold or rose gold or whatever that is with the pink. But lots of focals that can be chosen from that. And then last but certainly not least, we've got Swaying Dancer. So, oh, a pretty, I think this is like a teardrop shape crystal. That's really pretty. Again, we've got that interesting new round shape from them. Beautiful drop. I've seen that from them before. Gorgeous crystal here. So it's got some swirls on the inside. It's beautiful. Oh, that looks like sugar on a bead. Some beautiful, I'm using like beautiful, gorgeous, because it all is. I don't, there's nothing in here I don't like. Some antique copper bead caps. I haven't seen that shape before, so they're really pretty. Nice, huge crystal. Oh, another one. This one's got like smaller bugle beads all around it. Oh, we've got some antique copper sheriff stars. Did I say antique brass? I meant to say antique copper if I said antique brass. And then it repeats. Beautiful. Okay, so I feel like these 2 strands are good for focals this month, whereas some past months we could just take the strand, make a bracelet, and go. I would parse these out. Love the beauty of these sunstones, and I gotta say that class was my favorite along with the heart. Huge win for the last box of the year from Jessie James Beads. I am going to make something with this. Lord knows what it is, but not in this video. Stay tuned for Goldie. And like I said, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about this box, want to subscribe to it, use the affiliate link in the description of this video. It helps my channel. And make sure to come back when we have the tutorial up for this box. I'm so excited about it. I'm excited. Let me know what you want to see too. Like, yeah, I have ideas, but if there's something specific you want to see with a box, let me know in the comments. I can't make everything, but maybe I can make something. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye. Oh, and P.S. This video is my 1000th video on the channel. We're going to have a huge celebration. I'm so excited. I just did a giveaway, but let's do another giveaway. So I don't put stuff like that in on the title of the videos because we get scammers, but thankfully you watched until the end and you get a surprise. So if you'd like to win a past Jessie James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box, leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite video you've watched from me was in the past. Make sure you're a subscriber and like this video, please. And I'll put in the description of this video what I need you to do to enter. But those are the 3 things I'd like you to enter. So let me know what your favorite video of mine was. Like this video, subscribe, and the winner, I will ask you to send me a screenshot showing that you're a subscriber of my channel. So thank you so much to everybody. I can't believe we hit 1,000 videos today. Oh, I'm so excited. Today is Christmas Eve, so December 24th. So New Year's Eve, I'll close the giveaway and announce the winner. So excited. I'm going to do a 1,000 subscriber or I'm sorry, I'm going to do 1,000 video live this Friday. So hopefully you can join me. I'm trying to do more lives, and we're just going to do a bead with me. I don't have any projects set up at the moment, but I can't wait. Hopefully you're excited. I'm excited. I hope we're all excited. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. What you doing, huh? Hi, bunny.